The scariest bird sounds in the world.
Hey.
Shoebill.
God damn! God damn, man! That bird sounded like an AK-47 machine gun. Man, I thought somebody was busting outside. Damn! I was about to call 911. Damn! If I heard that sound, I would be running and not looking back. First of all, I would not have thought it was a bird sound. I'll be getting the hell on. That bird sound is giving you a warning. He let you know he coming, so get the fuck out the way, okay?
Cassowary.
Okay. That's not even scary. It sounds like he laughing. It's not scary. I ain't gonna lie. I would have been laughing at that bird. I ain't gonna lie.
Phía.
Oh damn! That bird sound like a airplane sound, or it sound like the purge sound.
Whitebellbird.
Okay.
Loon.
Loon. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like that sound. I like that sound. I don't know why. It's a calm sound, but you could tell it got some demon into it. It sounds very calm but scary.